Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. You need to open your preferred browser. Alright, so I'm gonna open here Internet Explorer. Thereafter you need to visit here the python.org. Alright, so type there python.org. So this is the Python's official website. Thereafter you need to click on the download, and once you click on the download you will get here download Python 3. Alright, so currently it has a Python 3.8.3 version, and then it will start downloading a Python 3 in your local computer. Alright, depending on your internet speed, it might take a little time to download it, and it is downloaded. Then either you can run it, otherwise if you go here in Windows Explorer in the download, you will get there the Python 3.8 is downloaded. Then you can double click and run it, and then you will get here install now. Alright, and apart from that, I'm also going to select here add Python 3.8 to path. This is important. Alright, so if you don't select it, then the Python will not be added in your Windows environment path. So you should select this one and then install now. Alright, and thereafter click on S, and then it will start downloading. It is already downloaded. Then it will start installing the Python 3 in your local computer. Alright, so you might need to wait a little time to complete its installation. Alright, so after some time, installation is successfully done in your local computer. Now you can close it. Alright, so once you close it, now it is time to verify that whether this Python 3 is installed in your computer or not. And that you can verify it. Open here cmd, that's the command prompt. Alright, then you need to type here Python. Alright, so once you type there Python, you will see there the Python. Alright, so that means Python 3 is installed in your computer, and now you can operate here. I mean you can perform some operation in a Python if you want, like this. Let's say the b is equal to 5, and then I'm gonna do here c is equal to a plus b. Alright, then you can use here print c. Then this is going to print the result 8. This means that we have successfully installed Python in our local computer. Thereafter, if you want to exit, you type there exit. And one more thing, we have already installed the pip. Now in the current version of the Python, pip already comes installed with our Python. If you type there pip v, that's mean the pip version. And currently we have here a pip version 19.2. Then you can also install, you can upgrade actually pip version. So the pip install -u, alright, it means that upgrade pip and run it. Then it will upgrade your pip, and it is now going to download here pip version of 20.1. Alright, perfect. Now thereafter you can install any Python libraries by using a pip, and then you can download here pip. Let's say if you want to download sklearn, alright, so you can type there pip sklearn. Alright, so there you have pip, and with the pip you can download any Python packages or libraries. Alright, like this one, there we have a scikit-learn, or any other Python packages which you want to install with the pip, you can install. Although this is failed here, so you can type there user, then it will install, upgrade this pip in your computer. Alright, so it says that 20.01 is satisfied. Let's go ahead and check the version, and yes, this is installed. Thereafter you can install other Python packages like pip install. If you want to install like numpy, then you can install a numpy. Thereafter you can also write the pip install pandas and all other Python packages which you want to install in your computer. Alright, so there you see there this numpy is installed. Perfect, congratulations, you have installed. If you have installed Python in your Windows computer, and now you can work with the Python programs. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. In the next lesson, I'll show you how you can install PyCharm. PyCharm is a Python IDE so that you can work with a Python program in your computer. Bye bye, take care.